Well, back to school season is right around the corner, and before you get those back to school supplies and those first day outfits, we're going to need to check off vaccines from our to-do list. So, here with me today is Roanya and Judge Eisen from North Central District Health Department. And Roanya and Judge Eisen, what exactly do you all do here at North Central District Health Department?
Well, North Central District Health was founded in 1981, and we serve 95,000 people in 4 counties. It's great. We work together with 4 county judges on health issues throughout our community. Our most important aspect is saving our citizens and making sure they are healthy.
You guys do some really cool events here, right? So, Roanya, could you give me a little breakdown of those, and maybe Judge Eisen, you can as well?
Yeah. So internally, we have services that we provide: child health, hands, immunizations, TB services. But a lot of our work is done out in the community. We like to bring the services out to the community. So we've been participating in a lot of back to school events, primarily trying to educate parents about back to school vaccinations and encourage them to come in and either see their primary provider or come see us at the health department.
Health fairs are so important to us in our community, and we serve, as I say, 4 counties. We may be out on Main Street on a event day, maybe a car show, and we're sitting there with our health department serving our needs of the community so we can tell them what we have, what they may need, and where to go get help if you are having an unhealthy situation. We also do restaurant checks, and that's something people are really excited about because they want a safe environment to eat in. And the health department does a great job on that.
Where can people get vaccines, and what vaccines will kids need the most before school?
Well, school-age kids need to get the vaccines that are required for school in the state of Kentucky. There's a full array, and that's dependent on what age the child is. Some of the ones that are at the forefront now that we want to make sure they do get that are part of the required vaccines is the DTaP and the Tdap, depending on what their ages are. Also meningococcal, varicella, and MMR, which is the measles vaccine. They can get those here at the health department and make an appointment, or by making an appointment with their primary care provider.
In making those appointments, newly coming students may need to get their physicals done, right? So is that something that you all provide here?
Yes, we are piloting right now by providing sports physicals in the month of July and August at all of our 4 county health departments, serving Shelby, Spencer, Henry, and Trimble County. You can call the local health department to find out which dates those are on and schedule an appointment if your child is in need of a sports physical.
For parents that don't know if their child is up to date on their vaccines, how can they find out if they are up to date, if they don't have the required vaccines? Do you all have any checks here to make sure of that?
So recently, the vaccines have become available and accessible to the public. They can go to the website kyrpublicportal.ky.gov, and there they'll be able to access their child's vaccinations and print out a certificate so they'll know what vaccines they have and what they're in need of. If they're not able to do that and can't access a computer, they can go to their local health department and we can pull that information up for them and give it to them.
When would be maybe the best time for families to stop by and get their physicals or get their vaccines?
So the health department in all 4 counties is open Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30. So any time during those hours, they could stop by and request that.
Do you guys offer any free or low-cost vaccines for families that maybe can't afford them?
Yes, so we do take private insurance, Medicare and Medicaid. We have a vaccine for children known as VFC vaccine. So for children who are eligible, don't have an insurance source, there's vaccines that's provided for them for free. We also have vaccine out of the 317 cost center. That's for adults and children, for those who are underinsured as well as uninsured. And then we do provide sliding fee scales for those who need it. So there really isn't a cost prohibitive reason. You should come on in and get your vaccines.
Well, you guys heard it. You should come on in and get your vaccines at the North Central District Health Department. And if you need any more information, you can go online at www.ncdhd.com to learn more.